Hello everyone. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Hope you all are doing great in your lives. In this pandemic, it is really very important to keep yourself motivated, and everyone has a different way of motivation. Mine is doing all the creative stuff that is possible, whether it's painting, craft or mandala. Today I brought a very innovative idea to make a door hanging from the waste material available at your homes. So, the material required to make the door hanging is a piece of cardboard, scissors, acrylic colors, paint brushes, old decorative flowers and leaves, fevicol, double-sided tape, white chart paper, silver and blue sparkle sheets, black marker or a sketch pen. Firstly, we will draw a circle on a piece of cardboard with compass and cut it. And the circle is ready. Now we will be needing acrylic colors and paint brushes to color the cardboard. Look at the way how multiple colors are being used and mixed so well. In the next step, we will use the artificial flowers to stick on the right side of the circle. Now, as I don't have artificial leaves, so I will make some using a white chart paper and color them with sap green color. We require at least 8 to 10 leaves, and after coloring them, we will leave them to dry. Now we will take another piece of chart paper and cut it into a oval shape or any other shape of your choice and write the content on it with black marker pen. Make it bold and beautiful as you people like it. It's up to your choice. This is my favorite one. And we will stick it on the cardboard. According to the size of the cardboard, you have to cut the oval shape. Fold the leaves from the mid to give them good and real shape and stick them on the corners of the cardboard or the suitable places which you feel like. Keep in mind one thing, leaves should be stuck underneath the flowers and should be overlapping each other. Or you can also follow the process which I am doing. As it is done now, we will use the backside of the paint brushes of different thicknesses to put the dots. You can use earbuds also if you don't have paint brushes of multiple thickness. You can see that how I am putting the dots by using multiple brushes of different thicknesses to make a difference between the dots. And the dots which are on the ends of the cardboard are a bit bigger, and as we are moving inwards, the dots are becoming smaller. You have to keep this in mind. Now, as it is ready, now we will cut little circles from silver sparkle sheet and put it on the center of the flowers to make it more beautiful. Then we will cut a very thin layer of blue sparkle sheet to cover or frame the caption which we have written, that is welcome home. Look at the way how I am sticking it very neatly. You have to follow the same procedure. Firstly, I was thinking to make it a hanging by using beads and thread. But to make it sweet and simple, I'm gonna use a double-sided tape on its back to stick. As it is very lightweight, it can easily be stuck without falling. Now you can see as my hanging is ready. I hope you people have enjoyed learning it with me, and please give me the comments, and if you liked it, please like and share. Thank you.